sweeties, welcome back to my channel. I'm trying to bake with all these people in the house, in the background. Hey man, you gonna get out the kitchen so I can make these cookies? Oh my. Alright, let's try this again. Hey sweeties, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'll be baking different varieties of cookies. I'm going to do chocolate chip, peanut butter, red velvet, salted caramel, and snickerdoodle. I'm also going to try to split my dough for some of the cookies. I know it won't be possible for all of them. So yeah, let's do it. Alright, first I'm going to add my 2 sticks of butter to my mixing bowl. And I'm going to add my sugar in with that. I'm gonna just let that cream. I'm just letting this cream together until it's nice and smooth and mixed well. All right, now that that is mixed together well, I have over here some egg that I'm gonna add to this too.
I'm gonna go ahead and add my vanilla extract. And let all that mix together. You don't want to overbeat anything. I'm learning my lesson about overbeating things. So yeah. And now in this bowl here I have my flour. And what?
My bite cheese. It's like in places never supposed to be there.
I added my salt. What happened? My salt, my flour, and my baking powder. And I'm just gonna sift that into this bowl just so our dough won't be lumpy. And of course, my salt was not fine grain. It is sea salt, kosher salt. So I'm just gonna dump that in there like that. And slowly start to incorporate this.
I added my flour mixture in about 3 batches, just to make sure everything was getting mixed well together.
I'm just scraping the sides down to make sure all the dough gets evenly mixed. Add the rest of the flour. And let that all percolate. And that's it. That's the basis of our dough. That's the base of our dough. Now, I did say that I was going to be splitting this dough, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that now before I add the chocolate chips.
As you can see, I've added my vegan sugar-free chocolate chips in. This is where I split the dough and added peanut butter into it. Usually you would do this with the wet batter, but my intention was to split the dough, so I did it now. And these are the final results. Check us out at Alto Sweeties.